Check out this 2008 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include tailgate assist, rear door privacy glass, black grille and surround, PWR sliding rear privacy glass, high solar energy absorbing rear glass, rear sliding and reclining fold flat seats, remote keyless entry system, PWR windows, rear air conditioning ducts and rear glass defroster. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.